Constructor chaining in Java. We already learned constructor in Java, but what's the concept of chaining? Chaining is comes from chain. Okay, so here we'll create a chain of constructor where we can bind more than one constructor with each other by the base of parameter. Okay, so just suppose I have a class my test, it's a calling class, but I created another class and the class name is anything stu. Okay, and I make a constructor, default constructor. So public sorry, public stu. Okay, now system.out.println. Okay, and right here any message default, so I write here default. Okay, fine, it's a default constructor. I make another constructor, 1 2. Here I pass a one variable int a and change the message also, value of a. Okay, int a, int b, another one, and also change the variable and change the message. So I write here sum of the numbers. Okay, it's a simple constructor. This concept we already told you. I already told you, sorry, we discuss. So I make a chain. Firstly, I just try to call any function, any constructor. I make a object. My class name is stu and obj new stu. Okay, it's a default constructor. Now try to call this program, run, and it will show default. Okay, if I passed any value, now what will happen? It will show the second answer. Okay, if I pass two variable, so it will show the according to the two variables. Okay, fine, right? 9. Now to create a chain, we have to use, like I start from second constructor and I use this keyword. You know what is that? This is a operator which return the object of current class. So my current class is the stu and now it's the object of stu. Okay, and I use this parenthesis. It means it indicates the this constructor. Okay, when you call this constructor, this default constructor will automatically call. Okay, and now here this, and I passed a variable, sorry, a. Okay, anything I take a value by the parameter. Okay, now save, and now try to call this program. I just call the same, run. Now you can check, here is a 3 value, default, 2 and 9. Okay, got it. I make a chain by this keyword, by parameter. When I pass this, the answer will this. Okay, if I passed only one value, what will happen? Okay, it will show only true value. Okay, it's a simple concept, you know. So just try to make this program and concentrate on this image. Okay, thank you.